Let me show you how I've been using the transform function. I have to start by moving the fixtures on the absolute layer. If I give them a tilt of -90 degrees, I get an audience position which I think is helpful for the demonstration. This is the secret to the circle form. I only want to apply the circle form to just the relative layer. I'm changing the phaser absolute and relative modes to just the relative layer. And I'm going to use the 2D editor mode as well for this demonstration. All I need to do is apply the circle form that's in the toolset. Now, instead of just adding a phase 0 through 360, I use an matrix feature called Transform Mirror. It's in the lower left of the matrix overlay. When I set the transform style to mirror, I can make a couple of cool variations to the original selection order that influences the circle form. The mirror mode has similar visual feedback to the sub-selection mode, but instead of dark amber, it's light green. With an X-wing of 2, the form is now applied across a wing selection. Then, if I added a phase range of 90 through 270, this compresses the center part of the form. I think when you remove the wings, it resembles the cool Grandame 2 effect that Kristen Jackson used in his Zomboid programming video. Now, I don't know if this is exactly what he did, but it looks close. X width is a constraint of how wide you want the matrix sub-selection to be. Leaving that phase range alone, when I replace the X-wing of 2 with an X width of 2, I have something completely new, which is all on the relative layer and that is free for me to move around the stage wherever I like.